We're going to get
How about like going up to northern Colorado? We're going to get to Amanda
Gilbert. All right,
because we know northern Colorado kind of got some of this first. So Amanda, tell us what you've seen in northern Colorado and how it's looking now.
Yeah, guys, well, there was some tumbleweeds moving in this field earlier when the wind picked up, but things are actually pretty calm right now. The biggest thing we've noticed up here is just those power outages, rearranging people's days starting early in the morning. So we know Windsor, Severance Fire Rescue, they actually upped their staffing. They had 3 extra firefighters and a additional truck in rotation. But by mid-morning, they were already running on a backup generator. And these first responders have also just spent the day kind of reminding people to be patient. The planned power outage affected streetlights and businesses. One dog grooming business in Windsor found a solution to stay open despite just all this change. So definitely a unique December day that involved a lot of preparation and some problem solving from both businesses and first responders.
The Marshall Fire was a learning experience for all of us in the fire service, especially in Colorado, to take some lessons learned and to try to be better prepared.
So he said, well, I can come back with a generator. So here's what we did. Moved the table by the front window, and we have power. As long as we have the light from the window, we're good to go today.
I love that problem solving. Now, one thing these first responders said they've noticed is people calling 911 about the power outages. So they ask people not to do that. Just refer to websites like the Larimer County website or Excel's. Amanda Gilbert, 9 News.
All right, Amanda, thank you. Now